Asana isn't just a tool to me, it's the foundation of a well-run, efficient business. And with the right setup, you'll save time, reduce stress, and focus on what really matters in the new year. When I first started using Asana, I had no idea what I was doing. Honestly, it was just a fancy to-do list and content calendar for me. But over the years, it has morphed into a magical place where I can run my entire business. Client projects, marketing systems, team collaboration, and even planning and scripting videos like this one. I am Samantha, here to help you organize and systemize your business operations so that you can save time, mental energy, and focus on what you love to do. So before I introduced Asana to my clients, I'd hear things like, I feel like I'm using all my brain power just to keep everything organized. But now, it's like a collective sigh of relief when they realize how easy Asana makes their lives. In this video, we'll explore how small businesses are leveraging Asana in 2025. I'll walk you through how to set it up, how it complements tools like Google Drive, and some of my favorite features like keeping my SOP bank right in Asana. Plus, I'll share a free SOP bank template you can download and try this for yourself. If you're ready to simplify your systems and make Asana your business hub, hit subscribe and stick around because there's a lot more where this comes from. Okay, so how are small businesses using Asana? One is for streamlining operations. So Asana acts as the central hub for everything: task management, team collaboration, and project tracking. For example, if you run a creative agency, your workflow might be chaotic right now, sticky notes, email chains, and countless tabs open. But if you were to use Asana, you could have all of this in one tool. You can use it to assign tasks, track deadlines, and even onboard new team members with pre-built templates. I also keep my entire SOP bank in Asana. For instance, if I need to remind myself of the procedure for a client process, I just open the SOP task that has the step-by-step instructions inside. It's all right there where I need it. By the way, I've made this SOP bank template free for you to download. Head to samanthakasbrick.com/SOP to try it out for yourself and see exactly what I mean. So Asana doesn't have to work in isolation. It can integrate with tools like Google Drive and Gmail. So if you get an email from a client asking for a proposal, instead of keeping that email in your inbox, you can convert it into an Asana task with a click of a button, attach the relevant documents from Google Drive in another click, and set a deadline with one more. 3 clicks and done. It's so convenient. So I often feel like my videos sound like one big Asana ad, and people probably think that I am sponsored by Asana, but I promise you I'm not. I've just been using it for years, and I wish I was sponsored by Asana, but I've just been using it for years, and it really has been a game changer in my business, and it all happened so naturally that I started introducing my clients to it, and I just became so passionate about it that I couldn't help but share it with as many people as possible. And I love setting it up for people and really helping people utilize it. So let's keep going, but I just wanted to add that little side note in there. Okay, so Asana's views also make tracking progress so satisfying. So whether it's the calendar view for mapping out your week or color-coded tags for labeling tasks, everything is easy to see at a glance. And the celebratory animations, who doesn't love the flying unicorn when you complete a task? It's the little things that make staying organized fun. So how do you plan on using Asana for your business in the new year? Let me know in the comments. I would love to hear your ideas. Okay, so setting up Asana might feel overwhelming at first, but it's actually pretty straightforward. Here's how I usually guide my clients through it. So start with a massive brain dump, getting all the information out of your head, gathering notes from around your desk or your notes apps, and get that all written down into Asana. Then start mapping out the main categories of your business, like clients, marketing, products and services, and operations. These main categories will be your teams in Asana. Now break those categories into smaller areas of your business. Some may be specific projects like planning a new product or updating your website, but others will be ongoing areas that also need managing, like team management or social media marketing. These subcategories will be your projects in Asana. So once you've mapped these areas out, now it's time to do some organizing. Organize your projects into the appropriate teams and organize your brain dump into tasks under the specific projects. You can also have some tasks that don't have a specific place, and that's okay. As you get used to using Asana, I'm sure they will find their place. For now, you can just create a project for your general tasks and ideas. So those are going to be your first steps. Then you will want to start assigning the tasks to people or yourself and giving them due dates. Make sure to check in your My Tasks and inbox every day to ensure nothing slips through the cracks. This is how you will make Asana work for you. So setting it all up can take a few weeks or even months, especially if you're learning as you go. But here's the thing, it's an ever-evolving process, so you'll tweak it as your business grows. And if you're short on time, I do offer an Asana VIP setup where we get your systems up and running in just one day. If that interests you, you can visit samanthakasbrick.com/VIP to learn more. And if you're setting it up yourself, take it one step at a time. Things will fall into place as you explore the tool and discover your preferences. A coaching client of mine used to feel overwhelmed managing her growing list of clients, but we built out her Asana to track every client's progress, automate follow-ups, and manage recurring tasks. Not only did she save hours each week, but her clients noticed how organized she was too. So here's why I believe that Asana works for so many small businesses. Asana grows with you. Whether you're a solopreneur managing your own tasks or leading a growing team, Asana adapts to fit your needs. You can start simple and add layers of complexity as you scale. It's also user-friendly, even for beginners. I always say that Asana is simple to start using, but powerful enough to run your entire business with the right strategies in place. Another reason is because Asana isn't a one-size-fits-all. You can customize it in so many ways, like viewing your projects as boards, lists, or calendars, whatever suits your style. And there are so many ways of doing the same thing to ensure that you can do it the best way that works for you. If you are brand new to Asana and want my step-by-step guidance on getting set up and started the right way, be sure to watch this video next. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I will see you next week. Bye.